Yeah, witness matches weekend they train we are no. Na mamindi kan tete ho ansa na mababewura top clubs in the matches no. Results ba kwa shocky nipa dodo na na ye Aduana Stars etnefie ma vision. Akwa akwhye no 1-0. Me sure say sa results ni betu dwa no. Nipa dodo na anwa because say Aduana Stars etnefie no more about against vision a. Obia no predict about 95% and 99% ebeko the Aduana Stars say. Looking at our performance, material chromo, resources, say supporters rally behind the team no. Obi expect say Aduana Stars nefi abo against vision dia. Ye bobo game ne wie no metimenya 3 maximum points no. Banko sisa vision this season for the first time omo na akwakoye first club kwaku omo akwaje 3 points e Aduana Stars efi. Ye mu Aduana Stars omo bo against big clubs by teams ni ntimi nkoshe Aduana Stars. Kwaku minu mienu se Aduana Stars nefi. No Kotoko kwoshe no. Has a question, mediama bi question and a big issue bebree because these are giants are on bet my battle with any club or Ghana Premier League. No disrespect to vision, but it's a vision question Aduana Stars excessive vision for a year Jumading and omitimi question Aduana Stars. Let's not forget say this season Aduana Stars abo has of folk wufie has entimi anhye wabo nations wufie wabo baby any wabo sa teams akese ni wabo nations wabo has of folk wabo mediama. Sa clubs akese we nyina enim so mu kura top quality materials no omentimi anko Aduana Stars fi anko anko show mo by vision na enim say omo de omo kwa we omo nya ade no omo na etimi akoshe Aduana Stars akwaku I believe upe weekend upe team ba ko impress me a vision for no eye adwuma de onim say vision for mo first win e wa we ni ye share season asinya no na vision enko away enko winning match da by omatimi akonya victory our ground say difficult most especially say Aduana Stars eni abrese on person muji league no metimi akwaje sa 3 points I think say vision for no it deserve a lot of credits. Let's not forget kwaku Aduana for ni very careful ya ball mabaso several times by say upe league agea yen drop points ni bebre na o few when him say Aduana Stars as it stands now omo 27 points are e wasan komutimi enya wo fie no omanya mu 18 ato na yakune please. And so pesa oji league na ufie ho na offer points na duo na no enye say Aduana Stars ana ye the best away team o enye mo na ye the best away team no enye team e friend say Aduana Stars akwa koye mediama ana house of folk enti if Aduana Stars e wa kwanya so bet magic league na points do na o ma sha ase say o mo drop opie no e wo so mutimi sisa sa anyoma no by my member vision for our so say o ma kwa we etimi akwa win sa 3 maximum points against Aduana Stars. Gold Stars we need 3-2 against 11 Wonders. Kwekube kai say before say ye break it for a Christmas no. 11 Wonders there me come asem cho say me unu so be relegation. Because say a league possible 51 points. Say 17 times 3 is 51, right? 51 points now when you move 6 year. I was say relegation na you say say woko. Ain't mean say possible 51 points. Na a club enya 6 points bibia no abetimi dia convince me say ebe extremely difficult say 11 Wonders ebet na league nim enti bibia ni Gold Stars ekwa away no se ukonya team anase ubo league na uka league ni nyina no team a onya ade ekra no awose uye team a wani abre so person di league a uko ni chroma make sure so beje points ehun hia and some points me ensa na bibia ni Gold Stars ekonya na ene de bibia ni Gold Stars abeto second on the league log. Because they say Mediama lead Gold Stars just 3 points. And to say where we now Gold Stars ekonya against 11 Wonders no quite think say a important win for a baby and Gold Stars obi agene points e 11 Wonders so now want me anjo dia e be hard drink. Mediama say 1 the Continental Club Masters has folks so entimi antika na has e kosa game nim no kwaku nim say na has e wogidie so mun lose sa game no. Na has supporters no GDS say omun lose because of 2 reasons. 1. Recently, has echo mediama fie bia na kwaku. Omutimi nya results omope. Team ba kwa na nso omutai ha mediama ewo mediama fie no. Has eka ho bi. Memfa wo nko wachi mpokra no. The last 3 games are House of Folk akobo wo mediama fie no. Has a win mu mienu. Proud to this game. na House of Folk last 3 visit awako Mediama fie no obeka in 2023 Kwadwo Obin Junior ko share 1 goal editia Mediama Emma House of Folk opeke sa 3 maximum points the following season those Mediama she has by last season ya no House of Folk esa ko Mediama fie sa time na obi ntimi nko share Mediama otakwati ene ye hun coach Watara any House of Folk team no eko Mediama kotia Mediama ehye ni 2 Kobna Watson striker ana mauli wayo Emma obi abebo House of Folk abaso say ometimi akotia Mediama enti recently na club akọ otimi etia Mediama woni fie no House of Folk enti na has area game no mo sa confidence ne so metima akonya ana o check House of Folk away performance this season are one of the best teams in terms of away games they accumulate points no enti factor sa nyoma mienu na ma House of Folk didie so metima akonya a win or draw bankoba ne sa kwaku game na me share ne dia I think Mediama deserve the credits and omo deserve sa 3 points no the first 45 minutes on say obi anshegu by now upeti ma na why busy pa na House of Folk first half ni mpokra House of Folk entimi an concede no Solomon Agbeshi and a lot of saves because the first department of the game na akwakoye Mediama omo na post threats na House of Folk a lot of defensive work man kan kra no mi hu be 3 saves Solomon Agbeshi a preventing Mediama say omo nya goal no by in the second half on say football na bono kwaku ye kase team bi control game you were 2 forms out me the control game ubetima control game abra ukra ball ana ubetima control game abra unkra ball enti wonu say you team bi wo ho ubetima bobo no obetai ball ni nyina ma say wo de pia by all money opponent clear opportunity say efa ball no to atene bi and ye kase control game no without the ball and your team will also better control game na bro crab no dey creating the chances in the second half adia House of Folk lose ye say yen control game without the ball no omu lose sad in the second half enti etena said o masha say omu just spaces kakra enti sa wo kocha ki goal na Salim Adams in pokra de say na at the time a ball never toward the cutback area no there was no House of Folk player all closing down Salim enti ma Salim enya that time onya that space onya that freedom say obe shoot to the ball back to atenem enti ade ba ko a second half equity a House of Folk pa no say without the ball control omu lusu sade in the second half by first half now we say without the ball kwa no mutimi preventing Mediama for no by about second half no anomu lusu sade na Mediama for intimidate omo no and which I was all the credits Edema coach Ibrahim Tanku and then the boys because in the second department of the game omu decided say ombe try say ombe ball na ombe switch ball no edi akọ left edi akọ right normal try some the ball no to the cutback area omu yes side edi be 3-4 times and some pokrana Salim enya sa go no etina eyade ba kwa eye parting ba kwa second half no na omu practice side ne say bo ama Mediama etimi nya sa go no ba kwaku Mediama team na ekuro mo no me hwe game no baby am di kan hwe me hwe Mediama bench se me catch or say game no money House of Folk boy no Derek Fodjo no at bench Nana Kofi Babel no bench Yebenya God's no Jakwasu no at bench Anna Prince at bench sa players we are no at bench na no metimi the says mwa catch or say omuko other clubs of Ghana Premier League about 90% on Beshas
okay
sa players we nyina no Prince aye nim so no they say na ko regular start no mu nyina o bench Derek Fodjo no ne ba Kumasi ase be ha Kotoko mu nyina no mu nyina at bench and some pokra ne nya Salim Adams mo and other guys no Calvin and Nkrumah mo sha ase e dia matim e friend say eye Mediama enti Mediama team na wo hon kwaku omo enough quality o betimi da battle with any club e Ghana Premier League enti enye mo pokra say first round e be we no na eda league ne so because quality wise omo obi and every single department be an Mediama etike and say so mutim no manya balance o me no woka say kwaku unim say o ka club o ma accumulate more points wo fia tima ya baby abo Ghana Premier League do no tima wa accumulate more points wo fie no aye Samates 23 baby any goal star say 22 the next club aye Mediama 21 ana wo ka tima wa watimi accumulate more points wa we a Mediama 13 House of Folk 13 Kotoko 12 enti one Mediama de no efie ye ka team so ma accumulate more points ofia mediama top 3 oka ho ye ka team so ma accumulate more points so we are top 3 oka ho enti mediama find a way to balance omu team ne say efie omoje points no away omoje points no enti so konya team otimi find a balance between away and home matches kwaku eya na ogina position so obetima gi league na mana yeyi enti I think see a team ba ko wo say watch out for mediama team ne ha adwen pa Swedro All Blacks ehye mienu Asante Kotoko ehye baako a Kotoko kolusu sa game the edikan before the game after the game yet a lot of issues concerning Asante Kotoko I say Swedro All Blacks supporters ni bi omu hotel ho even before the game and opening pokra na yeba adwuma no mene Asante Kotoko chairman Alexander Menu kredi nkomo no na wo say omoba na wo so mko park omoba as no police station because of the na aircourse no ni nyina na say it seems say even before the game nimpokra no yenya reportedly Swedro All Blacks supporters ni bi kura catch Asante Kotoko ba ko catch chairman Alexander Menu kura say odi agro kro be bunu wo ho ne nsem bebre I think kwaku yesre omo yesi afefufrom ayo omo ma adwuma ne ye den kakra ye ne yesi ye betina hasen a ball na course no ye beka ball ne ho asem na ya project ye league no weekend ya akohwe de course wo kokrantumi onwu de yesi ye first division
onwu ye
Post City de no na hwe de course wo ofin so Park Academy de no enti ye mpese ye ba betina afiwe ye ba betina ha sei na ye bom match wi a afi ne ye ba be ye we na ye o na referee ye sei ni akobo obi ye sere omo afi na ye sim no mume ye nka ball ne ho asep ye Ghana ha sei nko na week in week out ye bobo league wi na ade ne ye ball na e course no players omo ye ade coaches omo ball mo ho modern ye ntimi highlight sa ade no na incident ahodo nko na ye ba beka kwaku mi game ni mankasa unim say Swedro All Blacks after say omo call Sama Boy eko lusu against Samates no omo last 8 games omo lusu just one Swedro All Blacks after omo call Samates ko lusu once omo ko lusu ye no omo last 8 games obi eni ho a or dominate Swedro All Blacks omo last 8 games we lose one including games omo ko Dreams fia kwa akosho omo omo ne ha sabo draw and omo cha Asante Kotoko ahye no enti gradually say a position Samates me no ka say Samates for a Swedro All Blacks abeda 9th on the league log enti recently the results are Swedro All Blacks nya no e push your mind oma to yie e wo league ne so adia me hu ni se kwaku anko ya mfa ma Asante Kotoko defensively no me ye poor goals are Kotoko me the Swedro All Blacks credit ade be mo by obi a wanya abotra hwe game ni bia ehun say goals Asante Kotoko concede ni nyina kwaku entwa yi and again eya na minim de say coaches no eka chere players ni so mo try some be correct na players ni ntie and I say coaches na nkasa na o maso edin kwaku how many times before Christmas no ana member tena say nka Asante Kotoko na say omu rate omu defend na nkoyi
bebre
Emma made the whole graphics na yes illustration no yetiminya time analyze how Kotoko defend Emma me kai pa yesa me ka say ade ba ko man nkofo adwen ba so ne yesa omu consider goals be benam say omu win bi ntino onhwe but all break down Asante Kotoko defensive wise na issues wo and now no 2 goals omu consider ni gina nkoye what the Zakaria for say ni die and no cry ba ko pe me nkojina ba bi anka se Zakaria for say ni mbobo me nka bi krada se bi ka bi kra chese Ghana Premier League me follow Zakaria Fuseni na ye nim no awo Chelsea no na arguably that time before say offer Chelsea e ba Asante Kotoko no na ye ka Ghana Premier League center backs are omo enim ball ne bo omo form omo gain experience akwaku na wontimi nyini free mo but no kra wom ye say obaye no MPK anytime ya Zakaria Fuseni benya opportunity bia no un say ya na opaneke kakra un say pressure won so enti ade ba ko wo so quote Karim Zito and the boys from working on park ese pa no eh how Asante Kotoko efa so e defend because goals are Kotoko e consider ni nyina no but the first goal mo consider na the last goal mo consider e ka hu bi na Asante Kotoko elusu game no enti to me Kotoko me the Swedro Oblast credit be mo de by Kotoko elusu ye because of how defensively ye hu say na omo ye weaker e ma Asante Kotoko e consider is 2 goals
Biggie ye nantie
Koko Hearts of Oak. One problem I saw with the Hearts of Oak team had to do with their midfield. Department of Hearts of Oak actually say a solid 4 seasons now has been the goalkeeping department, the defensive area, and after the central defense and the triangular defense, which is the 2 central defenders, and then the goalkeeping department. But midfield, you know, one player I have born about this season, passing the more also has been Abdul Karim. How is he controlling games? He has to football whenever he's available. But the game against Mediema, the Abdul Karim who this season, and how good he's been in the midfield for Hearts of Oak, how he controls games. And when he possession, the Hearts of Oak, he was off color. And the Hearts of Oak team it was broken. Say. Until Mediema had the leeway. Before Mediema Babeshe go no, Salim go no, they had opportunities like that on so many occasions. Just because that Hearts of Oak midfield, you know, broken. It's at that time, question and me besame one say coach Didi Dramani then were bench one because it was after Hearts of Oak conceded and Didi Dramani substitution our best strengthening team in the midfield. And at that time, now go no what concede we into omo bemono. Omo bibi obeye mpa adwuma na ye den dia mo dance na nkomo beboma score line na ye pe. I was a coach man attention because I trust Abdul Karim as a very good midfielder, but on the day I feel that he was a disappointment. I had to focus team name Frank Abraduku again. I let him have to focus Bobo down. The performance was nothing good to talk about. Mediama ball on my ball fear this season. Ball on my ball Ghana Premier League this season. How consistent they have been. And the baby almost done since I share league na and one teamer Ubenya GDS Ghana Premier League no bet me aje. Ibrahim Tanko ne Mranti ene ka ho enti clearly with that kind of mentality no more science ubo ofie knowing very well say omo the 3 maximum points e be boa omo na kushi no mo wosoro onom for their title chase ne there na be difficult their Hearts of Oak boko no kudos to them deservedly na 3 points and se fata omo Kumasi Asante Kotoko no just as Kwame said it was as a result of poor defensive abilities and letting Kumasi Asante Kotoko team down 2 goals no mo concede ye nyina. The first goal, the second goal. Yebeka Zakaria Fuseini there. But the goal, Asante Kotoko consider aside that, how Francis Akwa allowed the winger to pick the ball from that area, the left back position. At the ball, the bar, cross, Emma Kumasi Asante Kotoko consider that goal. It's something you can't just understand when you think about Kweku. It's team, yes, they played, but the most important thing, no one to me. And the most important thing I want to me, it was as a result of poor defensive abilities. And the Coco Fast had the buy. Going forward, players they make sure some will working on that. And the technical team, because no matter how sharp the attack is going to be, Osha 1, Osha 2 now consider 3, baby, and the Osha, Namfas will be ama.
Still, leg no open now.
Of course, it is very open. It is very, very, very open. So, in Ghana Premier League, now, we say the CTR. 17 matches in the abo. Aka another 17. It is still very open, Kwaku.
BBN goal stars for a boba papa. But it's so good. Kwame. Me kwano no.
One thing me pese me bo Swedro Oblast for so abaso ne say. Enye Kotoko match ne nko. It seems say every single game almost supporters in the stadium pa. Swedro Oblast for no. And on say omo venue ho no megitum say enye capacity ni nye kese e say other venues are yenim no ba list kwaku time bia say we club na o supporters emfa ho ni game on bebo time bia no omo support team na ya sa team no kwaku personally am person time bia o league nim because every single game bia no be hu omo supporters say omo ho and say we team na supporters at Taiko Stadium akwaku sa supporter ne say o kasa onim dia woka. And soon say it got to a time so draw blast. A man about one thing said you coach near no more penny and yen. And yes, and your man okay cool. Debiomoko Stadium will be. Omunim de Koso. And Tiadia Bakwa may bomb about so I hope it's almost supporters. As a sono enjoy how Omoko Stadium. ɛkɔ support wɔn team na at least ɛyɛ another opportunity for them say wɔn bɛtumi generate income and which me keep sure say other clubs ni nyinaa no esu bɛtumi esua saa deɛ no deɛ efirim say time bi a team bɛbɔ game bi a no ɛnyɛ so face Kotoko ne house nko a by every single game bi a na wɔsɔ wɔn try na wɔn tumi kɔ ɛyɛ stadium na wɔn tumi kɔ support wɔn I think say so draw blacks wɔn supporters no say anytime bi a wɔbɛkɔ stadium bi a na adeɛ baako yɛ me fɛ wɔn ho no say wɔn use black and white no me who sa balloon na kyerɛ sɛ wɔn ɛyɛ hinsa ɛyɛ na ɛma ne yɛ fɛ
fantastic Kwame